In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write AI prompts for workflows in Asana. If you want to build cleaner, faster, and more structured projects using AI, this guide will help you understand how to properly frame your prompts so you get useful results right from the start. To begin, it's important to understand the difference between two key features. Create with AI is used to generate an entire workflow, including project structure, sections, and starter tasks, based on a simple written prompt. On the other hand, rules are used for automation after your workflow already exists. These can help move tasks, update fields, or notify teammates automatically, but they come later in the process. Start by using Create with AI. From your Asana home screen or within a project, click the Create button and select the option to create with AI. This will open a prompt field where you describe what you want built. At this stage, the focus is not on technical instructions, but on outcomes. You are simply telling the system what you want to achieve, and the AI will handle the structure. When writing your prompt, keep it simple and focused in a single sentence. For example, you might say something like creating a workflow that organizes tasks into clear stages and helps track progress efficiently. This type of clear, goal-oriented instruction gives the AI enough direction without overwhelming it with unnecessary detail. To make your prompt more effective, include 3 key elements. First, describe the type of work such as content production, onboarding, or project planning. Second, explain how tasks should be organized, whether by stages, priority levels, or ownership. Third, clarify what the workflow should accomplish, such as improving visibility, tracking progress, or streamlining handoffs between team members. It is important to avoid stacking multiple ideas into one long instruction. A single, focused sentence produces better and more structured results. Once the workflow is generated, review it carefully. Check the project title, the sections, and the initial tasks to ensure they match your intended process and terminology. If something feels off, instead of manually fixing everything, adjust your prompt and regenerate the workflow. Small changes in wording can significantly improve the output. Replacing vague terms with more specific ones, such as defining exact stages or clearer task types, can make the structure much more aligned with your needs. Continue refining until the workflow feels right and matches how your team actually works. This approach reduces unnecessary cleanup later. Only after your workflow is in place should you consider using rules. Open the Customize menu, go to Rules, and use the AI-assisted setup to define simple automations like moving tasks between stages or sending notifications when certain conditions are met. This step is optional and should only be used when you want your workflow to run automatically. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.